So let's get started with the rising issue. Ambulances are rarely on time, one of the most common causes for death. According to the National Crime Records Bureau, nearly 24,012 people die each day due to delay in getting medical assistance. Unfortunately, about 30% of deaths are caused due to delayed ambulance. Another Indian government data shows more than 50% of heart attack cases reach hospital late, which can constitute unavailability of ambulances too, but majority of it is due to patients stuck in traffic. Basically, we have two major problems to be dealt with. Number 1. Ambulance delays lead to death. And number 2. Late night accidents on hills and highways remain unidentified due to poor network or severe injury to the victim. Who all are responsible? The traffic system, the telecom providers, the ambulance drivers, the emergency medical services, and the uncooperative motorists. These are the major factors responsible for the problem. And yes, we can fix this.
So, coming up to the first problem. Ambulance delays lead to death. The world loses millions of lives every year due to ambulances not reaching the spot or hospitals on time. Some major reasons include ambulance getting stuck in traffic jam, ambulances getting crashed, roads getting blocked due to uneven strikes, rallies, etc. Modern technology can solve this problem. We can implement radar and known object identifying technique. This technique is smart enough to establish green corridors within minutes. This technology will work similar to the one used over ships and airplanes to trace the objects coming towards them. We can create a small device which can carry its IP address and serial number along with it so that it will have its own identification to get traced. Now, we can design such a radar, radio detection and ranging system. With implementation of AI and getting this fixed in every traffic booth of the city, we need to imply all the IP addresses of the devices attached in ambulance in the radar system. With known identifying technique, the radar will only trace the ambulance with this device. When the radar is set for a range of 2 km radius, then it will trace out any ambulance coming towards it. When the radar traces an ambulance, it can blow a siren and make an automated announcement to clear the route as soon as possible. And the AI will take over the control of the traffic lights. If the route is blocked, then AI will notify the driver to choose an alternate route, and it will create a green corridor with the least time possible. This way, we can fix the problem and save lives.
Coming up to the second problem. Late night accidents on hills and highways remain unidentified due to poor network or severe injury of the victims. Due to this issue, many people lose their lives on spot, dying helpless. We have come up with a solution for this by using satellite telecommunication and API, that is Application Programming Interface. We can establish an amazing communicative system between the victim and the hospitals. Let me explain what actually is a communication satellite. A communication satellite is a microwave repeater station in a space that is used for telecommunication, radio, and television signals. A communication satellite processes the data coming from one Earth station and it converts the data into another form and sends it to the second Earth station. This invention can help us out to communicate and locate throughout the globe seamlessly. Engineers can develop an electronic device with sensors and GPS that can sense the accidental damage of the vehicle through actions like opening of airbags, two-wheelers getting slipped or vehicle being hit by any object. All this works when programmed in a device, then it can turn out to be an accident sensing device. Whenever the sensing device would get activated, it would establish a connection between the vehicle and satellite and send an emergency alert of accident and a accurate location through the GPS and transmitter fixed in. The satellite holding the alert message will forward this to the nearest hospital so that an ambulance could be sent to the traced location. The whole process of communication would be an automated process. For the case if the vehicle is not damaged and unable to inform but the person is injured, then he can use the platform we presented in the previous video that would come up with an extra feature of emergency pickup. Here comes the role of API. API will work like an information transmission medium in the whole process. When the user will click on the option of emergency pickup, the API will inform the nearest hospital to send an ambulance to the given location. This will be a manual mode of communication.
Implementing this in the most refined way can save lives in millions. As we know, modern problems require modern solutions, and here we go.
So with this, we come to an end. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked our work, please do hit the like button and don't forget to share your valuable comments to the feedback form attached in the description below. Stay safe and take care.